Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to the channel. So today we're making another Cajun classic, Creole classic, whichever one you prefer. We are going to be making smothered pork chops in gravy, and we're going to serve it over some rice. So I want to thank all my amazing viewers that help support my channel. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell, so that way you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So let's grab our ingredients and let's make smothered pork chops and gravy. For our smothered pork chops, you're going to need the following: pork chops, onion, oil, butter, flour, chicken stock, Cajun seasoning, So the first thing we need to do for our smothered pork chops is we need to season up our pork chops. And I've got some Cajun seasoning here. And so what we're going to do is we are going to season up all sides of our pork chops. And once we've got that done, then we're going to move over to the stove and we're going to get these cooking. We have our large Dutch oven heated up over a medium-high heat, and we've added a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. So to this, we're going to add in our pork chops. And we're going to sear these on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. And we may have to do this in a couple of batches because of the size of these pork chops. So we have our pork chops all seared up. So to this, I am going to add in my onions, and we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes. All right, so our onions have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. So to this, I am adding in a stick of butter. And then once this gets melted down, we're going to add in some flour and start building a little roux. All right, as you can see, our butter is completely melted. So now we're going to add in our flour and give that a quick mix. And then we're going to cook this for about 15 minutes or so. And we're going to make sure that our roux doesn't stick. And if we stop, we will end up burning the roux and have to start back over. So once we get our roux cooked up nice and brown, we're going to move on to our next part. All right, so this has been going about 15 minutes. And as you can see, we got a nice color on our roux and our vegetables. So now we're going to slowly start incorporating our chicken broth. And we're going to add a little bit at a time until we get all our chicken stock added into our mix. All right, so our gravy has come up to a boil. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in our Cajun seasoning. Give that a quick stir. Then we're going to add our pork chops back in. And if you find that your gravy is a little too thick, don't be scared to add in some more broth. So we're going to add in all our pork chops and any drippings in the plate. And then we're going to reduce this to a simmer and cover and let it cook for a couple hours till everything is tender. So this has been going for a good 2 hours, so we're going to give it a check. Oh man, that looks really, really good. Oh yeah. And our pork chops are nice and tender. So we're going to serve this up with a little bit of rice and then get us some of this gravy. I'm a big fan of this gravy. So now that we've got our pork chops and gravy served up, let's give this a go. Love the gravy. Pork chop is soft and tender. Oh yeah. They did really good. So this is gonna make a good dish. I've been eating all this for a while. So please do give this recipe a try. Let me know if you try it and what you think. And as always, I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank my viewers for helping to support my channel. It means the world to me. My new viewers, don't forget, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell, so that way you don't miss any upcoming videos. So I'm going to let everybody go. I'm going to finish up this pork chop and gravy, served up over rice. And until next time, hope you have a great week and enjoy cooking in the kitchen.